Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all right, all well. Today my lecture about the cytoplasm and cytoplasmic organelles. Cytoplasm is the part of cell, second part of cell, and in cytoplasm many other cytoplasm organelles are present. These cytoplasm organelles are minute or smaller than the cell. So now students, our topic is cytoplasm and cytoplasmic organelles. Cytoplasm contents. Introduction: organelles in cytoplasm: endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, periaxomes, centrosomes and centrioles, secretory vessels, mitochondria, nucleus, ribosomes, cytoskeleton. Conclusion. Now here we explain only endoplasm reticulum, Golgi apparatus, centrosome and centrioles, mitochondria, nucleus and ribosomes. These 4-5 parts of the cytoplasms I explain. Introduction of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid present in the plasma membrane and nucleus. It contains a clear liquid portion called cytosol, which contain various substances like protein, carbohydrates, lipids and electrolytes. Apart from these substances, many organelles are also present in the cytoplasm. So students, you have know what is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid, gel-like substance present between plasma membrane and nucleus. Okay, or it contains a clear liquid portion called cytosols, which contain various substances like protein, carbohydrate, lipids and electrolytes. It means without water and others contents are present like protein, carbohydrate, lipids, amino acids, electrolytes. This is a cytoplasm. This is a cytoplasm. Outer layer of cytoplasm of cell is called a cell membrane, and this is a nucleus. Inside the cytoplasm many other small organelles like endoplasm reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria. This is a mitochondria, vacuoles, okay, and ribosomes, centrosomes, many other organelles here is present. This is a structure of cytoplasm. Function of cytoplasm: 4 main function of cytoplasm. Number 1, breaking down waste material, help metabolic activity, give the cell shape and keep organelles in place. 4th is keep organelles in place. So this is a function of cytoplasm. Organelles in cytoplasm. All cells in body contain some common structure called organelles in the cytoplasm. There are many minute organelles in present cytoplasm. These organelles performs a different function according to the different reaction. Some organelles are bounded by limiting membrane and others do not have limiting membrane. It means some organelles have a membrane around the body, and some organelles has no membrane present. Okay. Number first organelles of cytoplasm is the endoplasm reticulum. Endoplasm reticulum is made up of tubules and microsomal vessels. Endoplasm reticulum shaped like tubules or a microsomal vessels. Microsomal is a minute body vessels like tube-like body present in the cytoplasm. These structures form a interconnected network which act as a link between the organelles and cell membrane. This is connected with the organelles and the cell membrane. Type of endoplasm reticulum. There are two types of endoplasm reticulum. Number one, rough endoplasm reticulum and smooth endoplasm reticulum. This is a smooth endoplasm reticulum. Smooth endoplasm reticulum is called because they have no ribosomes on the body of endoplasm reticulum, because they are smooth like tubules. Okay. Rough endoplasm reticulum, this is a rough endoplasm reticulum. Rough endoplasm reticulum is called because external part of endoplasm reticulum present in granules like structure is called ribosomes. Hence we call the rough endoplasm reticulum. Number second, Golgi apparatus. It is also called Golgi bodies. There are two terminology of Golgi bodies, Golgi apparatus and Golgi bodies, and Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus mostly present in plants and Golgi bodies mostly present in animal. It is present in the cell except red blood cell. It means Golgi apparatus is not present in the red blood cell, but present in all other cells. It consists of 5 to 8 flattened membrane, say called cristina. Cristina is a structure, flattened structure, depend upon 5 to 8 flattened. These Golgi bodies has present membranous sac-like structure called cristina. It is situated near the nucleus. It has two ends or faces, namely cis face and a trans face. These are a Golgi apparatus structure, tube-like structure. These are mostly present beside the nucleus. Function of Golgi apparatus. Number one, it is concerned with the processing and delivering of substance like protein and lipid to the different part of cell. It means it transport the protein and lipids in different parts of cell. It function like a post office because it pack a processed material into the secretory granules, secretory vessels and lysosomes and dispatch them either out of the cell or to another part of cell. It functions like a post office. It means it helps transport of the material to the other part of the cell, other part of the body. Hence we call the post office. Number third is mitochondria. Mitochondrion or mitochondria. Mitochondria is the red or oval shape Mitochondria is a rod or oval shaped structure without diameter of 0.5 to 1 micrometer. It is covered by double layer membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and enclosed contained with a mitochondrion, and inner membrane formed many fold-like crista and covered with inner matrix space. Two layers, membrane to membrane. Outer membrane is called a crista and inner portion or space is called matrix. Matrix is the filled with a substance, watery substance. Function of mitochondria. This is a mitochondria. This is the inner membrane. This is the outer membrane. It means a dual membrane are present. This is outer inner layer portion of the mitochondria membrane is called crista, and inside the crista present a fluid. This is a fluid is called matrix. Number one function of mitochondria is production of energy, synthesis of ATP, initiation of the apoptosis. Production of energy, hence we call the powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell because mitochondria help in the formation of energy, which energy animals utilize. It helps in the synthesis of ATP. ATP is the type of energy, adenodiamine triphosphate. This is the energy, in other words we call glucose. Glucose is the energy which are most important for our life because it helps in the formation of energy. So this is the function of mitochondria. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are small granular structure with a diameter of 15 nanometers. Some ribosomes are attached in rough endoplasm reticulum, while others are present in free ribosome in cytoplasm. The ribosomes are made up of protein, 35% of protein and 65% of RNA. The RNA present in ribosomes are called ribosomal RNA. Ribosomes is a small structure, granular structure. The measurement is 15 nanometers in diameters. Function of ribosomes: synthesis of protein. Ribosome help in the synthesis of protein. Synthesis means a preparation of the protein. Sequence, ribosomes take sequence of the protein. Centrioles structure. It consists of two cylindrical body structure arranged in the right angle to an other, made up of microtubules. This is a centrioles. This is a centrioles is a rod-like structure arranged right angle on another. Each centrioles depend upon 9 microtubules, and the upper portion of the centrioles is called centromere. Centromere is the point, top portion of centrioles. What is centrioles? Consists of two cylindrical body structure arranged in the right angle of another. It means centrioles is a cylindrical type of body, mostly present in the beside the nucleus. It help in the cell division. Function of centrioles: help in the formation of spinal fibers during cell division. During cell division, centrioles help in the formation of spinal fibers, help in the separation of chromosomes during the cell division. This is a spinal fibers, and this portion is called chromosomes. This point is called centrioles. This centriole depend upon the 9 pillar. Each centriole depend upon the 9 pillar. This is a centriole. It help in the cell division and formation of spindle fibers. Conclusion: cytoplasm needed for many function, and without it no cell can function. Thank you, student. This is all about the cytoplasm and a cytoplasmic organism in other lecture and next week.